Hey, welcome back to another episode of the Money Codes. My name is Joel, here to give you your daily money code fix. On this YouTube channel, what we talk about is credit repair, credit building, business credit, and everything in between, dealing with personal finance. And today we're going to be doing a deep dive on the Navy Federal Credit Union Platinum card. I'm going to be going over the good, the bad, the ugly, and who made this card actually be for. So stay tuned. Alright, so first things first, if you're somebody that is into credit card churning, trying to rack up rewards points and things of that nature, this card really isn't for you. This card is more so for people that have high balances from other financial institutions. So let's say you may have a credit card right now with over $10,000 and you're paying 15, 18, 22% plus, and you need to take that high interest rate balance that you're paying over there. The Navy Federal Platinum card will be a great solution. So with this card, you're going to get an introductory 0% APR for the first 12 months. And after that, your APR will be between 5.99% and up to 18% depending on your credit score and Navy Federal's internal grading system. So now, if you weren't aware, in addition to your FICO score that most people use or most financial institutions use, Navy Federal actually uses their own internal scoring system between the range of 100 and 450. Now, we don't know for sure what makes up that criteria for their internal scoring system, but I'm assuming things like your previous payment history with other financial institutions, your credit score, payment history, usage or utilization rate, the main things that most financial institutions look out for. Navy Federal also pays attention to that when it's time to do approvals and also when it's time to figure out what the interest rate they're going to give you. Now, as with most credit card applications, they did a hard pull and they used my TransUnion credit report in order to approve me. And from what I've seen, expect your TransUnion to be pulled when it comes to their credit card application. Now, if you aren't aware of Navy Federal Credit Union, I did a video on them, which I'm going to link right up here. And that video went over the pros and cons over the financial institution in general. I also did a review over their N Rewards secured credit card, which I gave my stamp of approval if you're somebody that is actually looking to build up your credit score. And I'll link that video up here as well. Before the Platinum, let's go over the other benefits. Now, these benefits apply to all of their credit cards except for the flagship, which is Navy Federal's premium credit card. So some of the things you could look forward to getting is no annual fees, again, except for their flagship card, no balance transfer fees. And if you do your homework, you can see that other companies can charge anywhere from 3 to 5% elsewhere when doing a balance transfer, no foreign transaction fees, and no cash advance fees. So like I said at the top of the video, I think this is a very good card for people that are bringing in a balance from a different credit card. So let's say that you are somebody that is in debt. One of the reasons why it's a bit challenging to dig yourself out of that debt hole is because a lot of times you may be dealing with credit cards that are charging you, again, 20 to 25% and even beyond in just interest. So that minimum monthly payment that you're paying really isn't even doing anything to your balance. All you're doing is just paying towards high interest rates. With the Platinum card, you're actually getting a dope 1-2 punch, 0% APR on all balance transfers for the first 12 months. And in addition to that, no balance transfer fees ever. So when it comes down to getting out of debt and paying off your debt, I think this could be a good tool to go ahead and help you with that. And after that introductory rate, you can look to get either 5.99% up to 18. And I'm willing to bet that is less than what you're currently paying on your credit card now. And side note, for those that are doing the balance transfers, the goal is to get our credit card balances under 30%, and when we're really serious about optimizing our credit scores in order to get the best rates when it comes to your mortgage, your auto financing, and funding for your business, you want to be between 1% and 10% utilization. So make sure you're doing your best to get that credit card balance down. This card will help you with that. Now, those are the benefits. What are the cons to this card? Well, for one, there are no sign-up bonuses. And number two, you're not getting any sort of cash rewards point. Now, in the grand scheme of things, I can't really be too mad at the fact that they don't have rewards points. The fact that they're giving us that 0% introductory rate, the fact that this credit card can go as low as 5.99% APR, depending on your qualifications. I do believe that the money that you will be saving with those benefits would actually outweigh the points if you had, let's say, a 1% or 1.5%. However, I still think they could have threw in a 1% cash back. I mean, the N Rewards secured card has one, but really that's not a huge deal breaker. Also remember too that Navy Federal allows us to get up to 3 cards within their ecosystem. So it may make sense to get a card like this initially to bring all of your balances down. And then after 91 days or 3 billing statements, you can go and apply for the flagship card or one of the other rewards cards. So again, depending on your needs, you can actually configure your own trifecta for your own spending habits. So what's the final verdict on this card? Would I give it a stamp of approval? Yes, if your goal is to bring over debt from other credit cards, bring it over to Navy Federal and use that low interest rate in that introductory period to pay down your debt, I think this is a wonderful option. If you're somebody that's looking to do credit card churning, if you're looking to rack up points, travel rewards, dining points, and anything like that, this isn't the card for you. And later on, I'll do some video breakdowns on Navy Federal's other products, which I think would actually fit people that are trying to meet that goal. So again, those that are looking to pay down debt, I think you should look into this card. For those that aren't, make sure you like and subscribe, because I'm going to be giving you videos that will actually show you which cards that I would actually recommend for rewards points. So again, go ahead and like and subscribe. Go down in the comments, let me know your thoughts on this card, if you have it, if you're actually looking to apply for it. And I'm going to check you out in the next video. Peace.